Hey, welcome to TunePat channel. This video will show you how to download high-res music with TunePat Tidal Media Downloader. You can choose to download from Tidal app or Tidal web player. What's the difference? You can pause and check this tip. To download high-res quality Tidal songs, we choose Tidal app here. Then your desktop Tidal app will start automatically. Find the songs or playlists you want to download. Just drag and drop them to TunePat add box here. On the other hand, to download music from Tidal web player, just open a playlist and click the Click to Add button. Now select songs from the pop-up list, enable the filter option to avoid duplicates, and click Add to continue. You can also click Add More button to select more songs. Before we start downloading, there is one more step. Go to Settings. Choose the output format and audio quality. When you choose auto or lossless formats such as FLAC, the bit rate option will be unavailable for choice. This means TunePat will download the original audio quality only under these formats. You can even choose to save lyrics files. Customize the file name here. Now back to the Convert list and click Convert. TunePat will download songs at a fast speed. Wait patiently until it is finished. Now all the songs have been downloaded successfully. If you like this video, click like and subscribe to us. Thank you.